Hi, my name is Chef Jorge Guzman, and today I'm making a Spanish frittata or Spanish tortilla. It's a fun way to bring a cultural aspect into your cooking at home. We're gonna add some olive oil, and then we're gonna add some butter to that. It's a tapa. So a tapa is a small snack, usually at a tapas bar where they've got tons of little snacks. It's cut into wedges or cut into little squares with toothpicks. You go up, you grab one, they count how many toothpicks you've eaten, and that's how they charge you. We're using some white onions. Then we're gonna add our already roasted potatoes. And you're basically looking to kind of heat these up and get a little bit of color on them. So we'll let this sit for a little bit and just heat up. And we'll come over to our eggs, and we're gonna just start whisking them. We're gonna add a little bit of V&V Supremo crema. This has a nice tang to it, which is gonna bring a little bit of flavor to it. And then we're gonna add our Chihuahua cheese as well. And we're just gonna kind of fold that in. If you're only using 3 or 4 ingredients, they should be the best ingredients you can find. V&V Supremo Chihuahua cheese is sourced from farmers around Wisconsin. It's a good product, it's great. And then we're just gonna pour our egg mixture right into that. You wanna keep kind of folding your eggs into the middle and away from the sides. And what that's gonna do is help the eggs cook and bring them into the center. And you're kind of forming your frittata right now. Something really simple to do, especially if you're short on time. You can put whatever you want in a frittata. Leftovers in the fridge, that's a great vehicle for greens. There's no limit to what you can put in a frittata. So we're gonna take this frittata, which is almost done. We're gonna pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. So we've got one already done. It looks great. You can see that the potatoes and the cheese all melted really nicely. It's got tons of veg, tons of great cheese, the whole 9 yards. And that's really it, pretty easy. It's delicious. For more recipes, go to vnvsupremo.com.